Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about the very commonly asked interview question that is very simple, two sum. So let me explain this problem statement. So let's say you have given an array where the array is 2, 7, 11 and 15. The target which we have is, 9. So what is this? So there is an indices given 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we will add these two zeroth position and first position element, 2 plus 7, this is equal to 9. So which is equal to your target. So what you have to do, you just have to return the indices value. So how we are going to solve this problem statement? First of all, there are many ways to solve this problem statement. So, but we are going to use very simplest, way, that is map. So first we will create one map, and how we are going to handle this one, let's see. So first what you have to do, you just have to create one variable value. And what will be this value? It will be target minus array of I. Now what is array of I? It's the value. For an example, if the value of I is 0, then it will be 2. If the value of I is 1, it will be 7. So target is 9 minus. If the value of I is 0, then it will be 2. So you will get 7. So now what you have to do? You have to check whether this value is present there in map or not. So this is the first value, it is not there in the map. So what you have to do? You have to insert array of I value. This element you have to insert here with the current index value. So index value is 0. Now I plus plus, I will come to this position. So now what you have to do? Target minus array of I. Array of I is 7. So what value you will get? You will get 2. So what you have to do? You have to check whether this value is present in map or not. So in this case, it is already there. So what you have to do? You have to return this value as well as current index. So it will be 0, 1. So let's see how to write this code. It's a very simple, and whatever we have done here, in the same way we will write a code in IntelliJ. So first thing is, like, you have given an array. So let's quickly create an array which is 2, 7, 11 and 15. Target is also there. So target will be 9. So let me quickly create one method. So it will be private static. It will return in integer as an array, and then we'll have to do toSum. So it will be, and it will accept array as well as target. Okay, very simple. Now as we discussed, so first what we have to do, we have to create one map. So in map, what we are going to store? Key will be the elements which is of integer type. So and value will be the indices, that is also of integer type. So it will be integer and integer. So there is a variable. Let me use hash map here. Perfect. Now what I have to do? I will just put a loop, for loop. I is less than array dot length, and then I plus plus. Now what we have to do? We have to check. First we have to calculate the value. So value will be target minus array of I. Okay. In the first case it will be 2, then 7, then 11, then 15, likewise. Now what you have to do? You have to check whether map contains this particular key or not. If it is there, then you have to return. So first you have to find the first index. From where you will get the first index? You will get from the map itself. So how you will get? Map dot get, and what we have to pass? This value. Okay, and we have to simply return it from here. New int. We have to return two parameters, that is this first index and the current index, that is I. If the value is not there in map, then what we have to do? We just have to simply insert one value. Instead of adding this particular value, we will add array of I. So array of I and current index. Okay. Another scenario, what if the target is not there? Let's say if somebody give you target like 33 or let's say 93. If it is not there, then we will return simply, -1. So how to return -1? Return new int and it will return -1 comma -1. Whatever value we are returning from here, we will just first we have to call this method. So let me quickly call this array and target we are passing. You just have to click Control 1 to get the local variable, and whatever local variable you are getting, you have to use arrays.toString method to print it. So let me quickly run this program to see whether we are getting expected output or not. Okay, perfect. So we are getting 0 and 1. So now I'm going to change the target. Instead of 9, I'm just putting it 18. Okay, let's see. So in this case, the expected output is 1 comma 2. So here you can see we are getting expected output. This is the process we can follow to solve this two sum. So thanks for watching the video. If you really like the content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.